In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Google Maps. We'll use Google's built-in Edit the Map tools to add a road, which is the official way to trace a line on the map and suggest updates. This works best on a computer in a modern web browser, so have that ready. Start by opening your browser and going to www.google.com/maps. Give the page a moment to load, then look at the very top left of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click that to open the side panel of options. In the panel, choose Edit the Map. This opens Google's contribution tools. From here, click Add or Fix a Road, which focuses the interface on roadway edits. Next, select Add a Road. You'll see the map center itself with drawing controls active. Before you draw, zoom in to the exact location where you want your road to appear. The more you zoom in, the more precisely your line will follow the real-world path. Map and satellite views can both help. Satellite is great for tracing visible paths, while map view keeps labels clear. When you're ready, click once on the starting point to begin. Move along the route and click to add points that follow the curve or direction of the road. Use more points on tight turns to keep the line accurate. If you place a point slightly off, you can usually drag it into position. To finish the line, either double-click at the endpoint or follow the on-screen hint to complete the segment. Once the road is drawn, you'll see a panel prompting for details. Enter a road name if you know it. This is optional, so it's fine to leave it blank if you're unsure. Next, select the road type. Choose the option that best matches what you drew, such as a typical residential street, a service road, or another category that fits the area. Picking the right type helps maps routing and labeling behave correctly. When everything looks good, click Done. Take a final glance at your line to make sure it follows the correct path and doesn't overlap existing roads unintentionally. After you submit, Google reviews contributions for accuracy and may take some time to process changes. You might see a confirmation on screen, and your update will go through review before appearing for everyone. That's it. By using Add a Road within Edit the Map, you're effectively drawing on Google Maps in a way that's accurate, helpful, and recognized by the platform. Zoom carefully, place points thoughtfully, and choose the right road type for the best results.